Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by launching Safari and going straight to the tab view so you're already in the right place. Once you see the two overlapping squares, tap them. This exposes the private option. Tap Private to switch modes. This isolates cookies and prevents history from saving. Then tap the plus button to open a new private tab and begin browsing. Make sure to confirm the interface shows a darker theme or the word private so you know tracking and history recording are minimized. Once you're in a private tab, treat it like a temporary browsing session and avoid assuming total anonymity. Private mode stops Safari from saving search history, cookies, and form data locally, but it does not hide you from your ISP or the sites you visit. Make sure to enter sites directly via the search bar if you want fewer suggestions and disable autofill in settings for stronger privacy. When finished, close individual tabs, or choose to finish, go back to the tab view and tap Private again to return to normal browsing. This ensures subsequent pages save history as expected. If you notice entries remaining after private sessions, go to Settings Safari and clear history and website data to remove cached items. Make sure private mode looked activated. A darker UI or the private label confirms it. If you need stronger privacy, add a VPN or a private search engine, because private mode doesn't hide your IP address or block server-side tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.